Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have the essentials: an active Google account and the Calendar app installed. First, open the app and grant calendar, contacts, and notification permissions so events sync correctly. Once done, tap your avatar at the top to confirm which calendars are visible. Make sure work and personal are checked. Now tap the plus button to add your first event and pick a calendar. This starts syncing immediately and shows how entries appear across devices. You're ready to build detailed events. Tap plus then event, enter a clear title, choose date and time, and add guests by email so they receive invites. Use repeat for recurring items, set custom notifications to avoid surprises, and apply a color to visually separate categories. If needed, add a location or Google Meet link and paste notes or attachments. This level of detail keeps your schedule actionable and ensures attendees have context and access to resources. To finish, manage events by tapping one to edit time, guests, or notifications. Use undo immediately after changes if you make a mistake. Share whole calendars from settings when coordinating teams, and adjust calendar visibility to reduce clutter. If events aren't appearing, make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is on, then open settings right arrow accounts right arrow Google and toggle calendar sync. If that fails, clear the Calendar app cache and retry. That single troubleshooting step fixes most sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.